welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic Monday. I am pretty stoked because, as you can see from the title down below, I finally got my Jeffree Star mystery box. Yay! So I am really excited to open this. As you guys, many of you may know, Jeffree Star did have mystery boxes available and they sold out so fast. And let me tell you a little story really quick. I'm such a ditz. I will admit it. I knew that it was 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Your girl does not know her time zones because I'm telling everyone, okay, because I live in North Carolina, that's 2 p.m. That's 2 p.m. That's our time. It'll be 2 p.m. No, it was 1. Thank you so much, Tracy, for sending me a text and letting me know that it was 1. I did get on the site. I was able, obviously, to snag this box, but I literally was minutes away from getting the deluxe box. So we got the premium. I am very excited because I only own a Jeffree Star mirror. That's really the only thing I own. I have purchased Jeffree Star palettes for giveaways, but I myself do not own one or anything else aside from the mirror, and it's actually right here, so I'll show you guys. It is the Jawbreaker mirror, so I am very happy about that. But anyway, so we have our Jeffree Star box. Yay! So I want to first say thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Don't forget, we have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I will put that link down below. So if you have not entered, make sure you do. It does end on August 15th and it is jam-packed. Got a Michael Kors purse in there, an ABH palette, and many, many, many other things. So don't miss out on that. But let's get into unboxing this and stay tuned because one of you has a chance to win a couple of the products in this box. So let me find my box cutter. And they have this taped up like so good. Okay. All right, so we open it and we've got some pink paper. All the ones I've seen have had green paper. We have pink paper. So we have goodies. Yay! All right, so I am going to start. Obviously, here we have all the boxes. I do believe had this, the Jeffree Star pop socket. This will be in the giveaway. I do not use a pop socket, so if you want a Jeffree Star pop socket, stay tuned because, like I said, I am going to be doing a giveaway, so yay. So this is one item that will be in the giveaway. And then we have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Frost, which is the liquid highlighter, and we got the shade Ice Queen. So let's see what this looks like. Well, not from... Try not to tear up the box. There we go. All right. And it says to shake well, so let's shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. All right, so this is what it looks like. It looks like it has a pinky undertone. Kind of see it a little better there. So there you can see the liquid highlighter, the liquid frost. Now, this is going in the giveaway as well. I don't use liquid highlighters. I think it's a gorgeous shade. I just don't really care for liquid highlighters. I'm definitely more of a powder girl. So one of you will also have the chance to win this. If I can get it back in the box. There we go. So who wants some liquid frost? I feel like How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. Frost yourself. All right, so then we have right here, oh, we have one of this lip ammunition right there, and we got the color Jeffree's Girl. So, oh, this packaging is cute. Right there. That's really pretty. Oh, and surprisingly enough, this shade is gorgeous. That is a really pretty shade. It does have some bubbles. You can kind of see there. Right there. That's just probably from sweating because it is 100 degrees. I know everyone's like paranoid since Jaclyn Hill's whole issue, but I really think that's just sweating because it's been like 1,000 degrees outside. So there's that guy. And then we have one of his velour liquid lipsticks in Can't Relate. Right there. Packaging is really pretty. Ooh, that is so pretty. That is gorgeous. Oh, it said to shake well, so let me shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Oh, okay, so that's like a nude. That's pretty as well. I love this packaging, this like glittery, that is gorgeous. And then of course we have the question mark. This was the mystery lipstick that he guaranteed would be a wearable shade for everyone. So, because we do know how Jeffree loves his crazy colors. And I'm not gonna lie, I've seen some unboxing and I've seen some teals. I've seen some crazy colors. This I think is an absolutely beautiful color. So it's just the question mark. It is a beautiful pinky color with this like lime green. Let me shake this one up. I keep forgetting to shake. Shake, 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 shake. That is gorgeous. Yes, 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 and yes. That is so beautiful. So we got the question mark, the infamous, what was it gonna be, liquid or velour liquid lip from Jeffree Star right here. Again, that is such a beautiful color and something I will wear for sure. We got the Can't Relate, the nude velour liquid lipstick. We got Jeffree's Girl in the lip ammunition, this beautiful pink mauve color. We got the liquid frost in Ice Queen and a pop socket. So I definitely think this was worth it. I mean, all of his lip products I believe are $18 a piece. So this right here is $36. This is $15. So that would be $51. And then this I believe is $30 some. So you're looking at, we'll just say 81, but I think it may be 34, but we'll just say 81 to 85 for this right here. $18 again for this one. So the value is definitely there, and I am so excited that I didn't get funky, crazy colors. But here's where it gets interesting and great for you guys. So I have so many lip products. I don't need a ton more lippies. I don't use a pop socket and I don't use liquid highlighter. So, dun dun dun, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I know I mentioned that earlier, but here are all the details. So the giveaway will contain the Liquid Frost highlighter in Ice Queen, the Jeffree Star pop socket It will contain the Lip Ammunition Bullet Lipstick in Jeffree's Girl. And it will also contain the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Can't Relate, that pretty nude color. So, what? Whew. I'm only keeping one product from my mystery box, but that is okay because I think it is a gorgeous color and I will absolutely wear it. So, that's the giveaway. I will be adding, and I actually already have set to the side, some sheet masks, some under eye mask, an IBY eyeshadow palette. So I always throw extra goodies in. I do tons of giveaways. Like I said, I actually have my 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. I just love giving back to you guys because if it was not for you, my channel would not be where it is. And I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I love you all and I love giving back and sharing with you guys. So here are the rules. Super easy. It is going to run for 2 weeks. So today is the 29th, so this will end on August 12th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On August 13th, I will use a random comment picker to pick a winner. So you need to leave a comment. You also must be subscribed to my channel. I will check because I don't like people that come and subscribe for giveaways and then they leave. So I will check and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You must like this video, so give it a big old thumbs up. And like I said, leave a comment down below with the words, I love Jeffree, or enter me, or just something so that I know you want a chance to win these 4 Jeffree Star products, plus that eyeshadow palette, some sheet mask, some great stuff. I just want to again say thank you so much to each and every one of you again for your support, and just I love getting to know you guys. You are all fantastic, and you know we always have a fabulous time, especially on our live streams. So like I said, here are the rules. One more time recapped. You must be subscribed, like the video, leave a comment down below, and we'll just make it easy. Just put enter me. And then whatever you would like to say about the products, your day, anything like that. I love hearing from you guys. So subscribe, like, comment with enter me. You must be over the age of 18. You need to have a US shipping address. Now you can live outside of the United States as long as I have a shipping address somewhere within the US that I can send the prize. So again, subscribed, like the video, comment with enter me, over the age of 18, US shipping address. This will run for 2 weeks ending August 12th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following day, August 13th, I will use that random comment picker to select a winner. Now, what I'm going to do, when you leave comments, I'm not going to reply to any comments. I will heart your comment so I know you know I saw it. But what I will do on August 13th is reply to the winner's comment. You will have 48 hours to respond to me. So by August 15th, I need to have heard back from you on that comment. Like I said, I will pin your comment and reply to it, letting you know you are the winner. You need to get back to me, let me know your shipping information. My email will be down in the description box, so you can claim your prize. So again, if you want to enter and you want a chance to win these 4 products from Jeffree Star along with sheet mask and a palette and some goodies, go ahead, smash that subscribe button if you have not already. Like this video, leave that comment. And again, for the Jeffree Star products, just so you know, we have the Ice Queen Liquid Frost Highlighter, the Lip Ammunition in Jeffree's Girl, the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Can't Relate. So we have a pretty nude, we have a pretty pinky mauvey berryish color, a pink undertoned beautiful liquid highlighter, as well as the Jeffree Star Pop Socket. And like I said, I also have sheet mask and some other stuff, but that's obviously the main part of the giveaway are those Jeffree Star products. So I hope you guys are excited. I was so excited. I did not expect this to come today, even though I have anxiously been waiting. I've seen all these other people get their boxes and I'm like, where is my box? Because I had planned to do this giveaway So I'm so happy we got this gorgeous color, or I got this gorgeous color, and one of you lucky viewers has the chance to win the highlighter, 2 beautiful lip colors, and the pop socket, like I said, some sheet mask, and IBY. It's actually the IBY City Limits palette. And so, yeah, I can't stop talking because I'm so excited. So, like I said, simple rules, I'll put them in the description. Go ahead and comment and just have fun, and hopefully on August 13th, you're gonna get a response from me letting you know you won. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.